Okay, before the video starts, I need to tell you something. Please don't put hate on this. This is my first one, okay? Cut me some slack. I'm 13. Now, onwards! Okay. But for people who think that they could just be like, oh my god, this is so cringy. Okay, let me explain something. Here's what I think. See? It's like, stop hating. Now, onward to the story. Okay, I was a pretty weird kid. Now, I've done a lot of things. Period. Okay. My teachers used to say, it's alright, normal. Completely normal. ... And I remember I used to have a teacher that would follow me around in preschool. I called her Bigfoot. The memory I have of her, I think about the most is, I was at the park, she was following me, I said, run Bigfoot! The aliens are gonna get you! Back to kindergarten, but yet. Run Bigfoot! Okay. One time, these kids were drawing dinosaurs on chalk on the playground. I said, that's not how you draw a dinosaur. I grab a piece of chalk. I draw a dinosaur on the brick wall. And basically, do you know what happens? Well... Oh my god, Maya! Why? How dare you? You drew a dinosaur on a wall. JK, the janitor came and washed it off and I got off the hook.